From the name itself, it would be something related to agriculture interacting with ecology, the natural ecosystem, and the interaction of that area and how agriculture can fit into that system. Recently, I've been engaged with a group in the Philippines that's doing research on permaculture. Permaculture is heavily looks into the integration of agricultural systems into the natural space, and so there is a design philosophy to it. So, for example, wherever the water runs through, then the farm has to be designed accordingly and not change the landscape according to what the person sees, but working with nature and let nature work for you as well. So that's the kind of interaction that permaculture also how to say this promotes, where the person who practices agriculture actually works with nature. If we're talking about working with the ecology, working with the natural ecosystem, you have to be conscious about natural resources and how you manage those. And I think technology has the capacity to enable people to use resources wisely. Being able to get data that will enhance your decision-making process is very crucial in managing a farm. So I've been engaged with a permaculture research group where I'm the drone guy who actually takes a picture, and we analyze also from the drone pictures, like how it looks like from the top and how the interactions may look like from the top, because you can assess a permaculture by just walking around it and see what are the interactions, but it's also different if you have a bird's eye view. Taking these bird's eye view pictures actually lets the farmers see what interactions there are, and that can come into play given this kind of perspective. And one farm that we went to just a couple of months ago was that they've actually been doing permaculture for 14 years, but it was their first time to see the whole farm from a bird's eye view. So for them, it was a huge change in perspective that, wow, we've never seen it from this kind of view. And it brings a lot of analysis as well. And so technology enables and enhances the scientific analysis as well of the interactions within that agroecological system.